To form a limited liability company, LLC, in Missouri, several steps must be taken. The first step is to choose a name for the LLC, which must be distinguishable from other business entity names already registered in the state. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or one of its abbreviations. The availability of the name can be checked on the Missouri official state website. If the preferred name is already in use, a DBA, doing business as, registration can be filed, allowing the LLC to operate under a different name. The next step is to appoint a registered agent, who will handle government, tax, and legal correspondence on behalf of the LLC. While it is possible to be one's own registered agent, this is not recommended due to the complexity of the legal documents and requirements involved. A registered agent service can be used instead, which can handle these tasks on behalf of the LLC. Once a registered agent has been appointed, the next step is to file the articles of organization, which include basic information about the LLC, such as its name, address, and purpose. The articles of organization can be found on the Missouri official website, and a state filing fee of $105 must be paid. After filing the articles of organization, an operating agreement can be created, which outlines how the business will be run, including the distribution of profits and the authority of members to bind the LLC to legal contracts. The next step is to obtain any necessary permits and licenses for the LLC, which will depend on the industry and specific activities of the business. Researching the specific requirements for the industry and searching for relevant information online can help determine what permits and licenses are needed. After obtaining the necessary permits and licenses, the LLC must comply with tax requirements, including filing annual reports, keeping accurate records, and conducting business transactions through a business bank account. This will help protect the LLC and its owners from potential lawsuits. Finally, if the LLC plans to hire employees or file certain tax forms, an employer identification number, EIN, must be obtained from the IRS. This can be done online, and the EIN is also necessary to open a business bank account if the LLC has multiple members. While it is possible to complete these steps on one's own, using a legal service such as a formation service can save time and ensure that everything is done correctly. These services can handle all the steps involved in forming an LLC, including filing the articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. They can also provide additional services, such as bookkeeping software and access to specialists who can provide guidance on business, insurance and taxes.